Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Togo, an extraordinary Siberian husky, is celebrated for its pivotal role in the 1925 serial run to Nome, Alaska. Born in 1930 and initially deemed too small for sledging, Togo defied expectations by becoming an exceptional league dog under the guidance of his owner, Leonhard Seppala. During the Serum Run, Togo led Seppala teams over the most treacherous and longest part of the journey, covering over than 260 miles through harsh and dangerous conditions to deliver life-saving diphtheria antitoxin. Togo's bravery, stamina, and intelligence earned him a place in history as one of the greatest sledge dogs of all time. Though his story remained less known until recent years, his legacy is now celebrated in books, films, and memorials, highlighting his remarkable contributions to one of the most heroic feats in sledge dog history. His early life and background. Birth and name. Togo was born in 1913 and named after Japanese Admiral Togo Heihachiro. He was initially considered too small and feisty to be sledge dog and was given away as a pet. Escape artist. Togo demonstrated his determination early on by escaping from his new home and returning to Leonhard Seppala, his original owner and a renowned musher, covering a significant distance on his own. Training and development. Early training. Despite his small size, Togo showed remarkable endurance and intelligence. Seppala recognized his potential and began training him as a lead dog. Natural leader. Togo quickly proved himself to be an exceptional lead dog, demonstrating an uncanny ability to navigate difficult terrain and make quick decisions. The Serum Run. Distance covered. Togo led Seppala's team for over 260 miles of the 674-mile journey, covering the most dangerous and treacherous part of the road across the Norton Sound ice. Critical decision. Togo's navigation skills and intuition were critical in judging the team through a storm and across the unstable ice, ensuring the safe delivery of the diphtheria antitoxin to Nome. Legacy and recognition. Overlooked hero. Although Balto is often celebrated for completing the final leg of the Serum Run, many consider Togo the true hero due to the longer and more challenging distance he covered. Late recognition. Togo's contributions were not widely recognized until much later. In 1960, Seppala's daughter wrote a biography that highlighted Togo's vital role in the Serum Run. Physical endurance. Incredible stamina. Togo's stamina was extraordinary. He ran continuously for over 12 hours as a stretch during the Serum Run, demonstrating his physical and mental resilience. Age and performance. Togo was 12 years old during the Serum Run, an age at which most sled dogs would have retired. Yet he performed at an exceptional level. Post-Serum Run life. Retirement. After the Serum Run, Togo retired from long-distance mushing. He lived out his final years with Seppala's families in Poland Spring, Maine. Descendants. Togo sired many puppies, passing on his exceptional genes. His lineage continued to produce outstanding sledge dogs, contributing to the Seppala Siberian sledge dog breed. Honors and memorials. Statues and memorials. Togo is commemorated with statues and plaques, including one at the Iditarod Trail headquarters in Wasilla, Alaska. Film and media. In 2019, Disney released a movie titled Togo, starring William Dafoe as Leonhard Seppala, which brought Togo's story to a wider audience and highlighted his crucial role in the Serum Run. Togo's story is one of remarkable bravery, endurance, and loyalty. His contributions to the 1925 Serum Run remains a testament to the incredible bond between Sled Dog and their mushers, and his legacy continues to inspire admiration and respect. I hope you have liked this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.